Hi, Carter Dewey, Data Remote, here to talk to you a little bit about our technology, Pots in a Box. One of the questions I get asked all the time is what infrastructure assets are good use cases for our technology. You guessed it, elevator would be one of them. Additionally, we could break it into 4 categories: voice, fax, modem data, and alarm. Come with me and let's talk about it more. Okay, let's start with voice. There's a lot of voice solutions out there, but let's just go with the low-hanging fruit, starting with key systems, mini PBXs. It's not always just the PBX. Quite often there are other systems integrated into it, like intercoms, paging systems, security. Second, let's talk about modem data. Think about the old US Robotics or Hayes type modems. These are legacy modems that help things like HVAC systems communicate, lighting controls, ATMs, point of sale, a whole list of building controls. Third is fax machines. Don't think about the rinky-dink fax machine you have at your house, but large enterprise fax machines that a lot of your accounts have, very expensive, and your accounts will want to maximize their return on investment. And lastly, number 4 is alarm. Kind of speaks for itself, but think fire panels, Berg panels, panic buttons, medical equipment. There's a lot of alarming in the legacy infrastructure today that you've got to consider. Please contact Data Remote to learn more, and I appreciate your time today. Thank you.